Before we demonstrate the use case, we will need to know what fields are required when uploading cash sales record for customer purchases. Let's start by editing the template that we have created for demo purposes. When we build a cash sale template, we will need to add the entity, which is in reference to customer in NetSuite, tran ID referencing cash sale number, tran date, the date field, and then location is location. And at the item level, we have the item, quantity, rate, price, and tax code fields on the item level. These are the bare minimum on required fields when creating new cash sales records. You can add more standard and custom fields based off of your NetSuite account. So now that we have a better understanding of what fields are required, we can start uploading a new cash sale record with CloudExtend. First, we're going to go to the entity field and we're going to add a wolf. And once we add a wolf to that cell, we're going to repeat a wolf throughout the rows. Next, we're going to go add the Boston location to the header location field column and make sure you repeat it throughout the rows. Now at the item level fields, I'm going to go copy the demo items, quantity, and rates and paste it into the appropriate columns at the item level. For the price column field, I'm going to go add a custom price level. In this case, I will add a double bracket -1, close it off, and then repeat it throughout the rows. And now for the tax code field, I'm going to go select the tax code value, select CA state, and then repeat it throughout the rows. So now that I have all my data included into the template, I'm going to go down to update, select upsert all records. And once I do that, it's going to upload the data into NetSuite. And as you can see, the upload has been successful. The internal ID will show up in column B in green. So now if I want to return the data for tran ID and tran date, I'm going to go down to the refresh button. I'm going to select refresh all records. And once I do that, NetSuite will return the data for tran ID and tran date from NetSuite into the CloudExtend template. So as you can see here, the tran ID shows up. We're going to copy that. And we're going to go into NetSuite and search for that cash sale. We're going to select the cash sale and open it. And once we open it, you can see everything has been uploaded successfully in the header level. And then now if we go down into the sublist, we can confirm that all of the fields have been filled out properly for the item, the quantity, the price level, the rate, and also the tax code. Thank you for watching this video on how to use CloudExtend to upload cash sales.